Here's a new 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, active grille shutters, doors and push-button start proximity key, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.